Well, hello there. Thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony, and I'm here to take you through a lodge. This lodge, Wauchula Lodge number 17 here in Wauchula, Florida. That's right, we're here in Florida. It's right here downtown area too. It's actually got live music playing. Well, maybe it's recorded music. But anyway, it's right here downtown on the main drag. I'm sure this, by looks of these businesses next door, this is probably a stairwell that goes straight on upstairs. So I'm gonna take you a little bit around this lodge and give you a nice little tour. Maybe you'll see something in this lodge you can help improve your own lodge, or maybe you'll see something in this lodge and say, "Hey, I want to go visit that lodge if I'm ever in Wauchula, Florida," which is let's see, due west. If you go down to Sarasota and you go toward the center of the state, you're going to run into Wauchula there somewhere. So it's north of Acadia. And not quite as far to Sebring. I've probably heard of those cities if you are familiar with Florida. But come on with us, because you just entered the Coolest Life, Masonic Edition. Upstairs, just like I thought there'd be. Up those stairs there. If you keep on coming, you're going to come into the cafeteria area. I got this on the wall here. Kind of nice. That's kind of nice too. I like it. They got some past masters on the wall there. Good area to sit. Good looking kitchen. Looks like they got maybe this is the way out the back. Huh, that's nice. You can go out the back if you wanted to. Or come in the back way. Look at there. Got his uniform on. Let's go into the lodge room. Take a look around. See what we got in here. Looks like one of the first lodge rooms. Nice. 1957. That's cool. Post office and Masonic Lodge. Huh. Interesting. The hallway to the kitchen. This, of course, is coming from that doorway down there. I wanted to show you this here. They've got aprons here for visitors. Sign-in book area. Nice older piece there. I like it. Picture of the sitting master. His name's not on there, but you can know who he is. I got one of these swords. We've seen these swords. I actually made one of those swords, or bought one and had it engraved and stuff on the side plates in two of my home lodges. I've got those. Nice locations. Gives you some dates. This is 2025. I'd be updating that. A nice board. And here's the door we're coming in. There's no door knocker or anything like that on there. So let's go on into the lodge. Tell it's a nice, good looking lodge. And we got a donation box back here. Nice setup there. This is actually, most of these I see are wood. This one's definitely not wood. Pewter top on that. I do like the blocks down here that they have. Those are good. You don't see a lot of those. I've seen them in some of the lodges, but don't see a lot of those. A good looking column there. This celestial globe. I love the markings here. That's nice. For your senior warden station. That'll be your level. Sprig of acacia there. He's got his setting maul here. And his column. Nothing marked on the column. Good size though. I mean, that's 18 inches easy. Tall in that column. Always like this. Those are nice touches. All the accents. Makes everything match the wood. Nice painting there of George Washington. You got a globe, it's your standard size globe that you would find in a schoolhouse someplace. Like the extra colors too. I see a lot of them that are either the column is all white or all gold and nothing's painted any different colors. Here's where the marshal would sit. A lot of jurisdictions would use a marshal. I think the last lodge we were in, a couple days ago, this baton was up there at the other end where the chaplain sits. There's a preparation room there. I don't see any ship or anything around this area like we've seen in a lot of other Florida lodges. Good seating, good quality seating. Theater type seating. You got your point within a circle. St. John the Evangelist, St. John the Baptist. You got a piano here. I got a nice back door here that goes into that downstairs in the kitchen. Got another one of those blocks. I like those, nice and heavy. Makes it easy to be able to move them around and put them in different places like you do the flag. They do bring the flag down and they do a toast to the flag in the beginning of the meeting. It looks like this is was probably a stand column here from another lodge maybe, but no, it all matches. I would say it's all the same. Yeah, there's a Eastern Star on that one. Got a rough ashlar here. Smooth ashlar there. I don't see any markings on the chair except for it does have, looks like leather there, the red. And that's nice, it lights up when they have the meeting to include the G. He's got his top hat here. Master would wear during the meeting. Corn, wine, and oil. I don't see anything on that column there either. Looks like their charter here. Nice. 1888. Must have a date wrong. Another one. Chapter Secretary sits. And here's something unusual here. I don't see that very often. Normally it's just a straight plumb. The plumb's nice on there. Good size setting wall. And I want to show you this. I haven't seen a painting quite like this. You got your sheaf of wheat there, but you see the skull? That's a nice touch. That's a nice touch. I don't see any kind of sprig. Well, we showed the sprig of acacia over there next to the senior warden's table, but I don't see one on the picture. I do have a waterfall there, a stream. And of course, as I mentioned before, these are pewter. These are metal. Look at that. I don't think I've seen one like that. It's stitched. Usual. Last but not least, a lot of lodges, when they go to put new carpet down, they'll put the parquet floor in here, the checker floor. I really like the checker floor. They don't tend to wear very well. I'll say after 10 years, normally 20 years or so, the white becomes a little more yellow. And this video here shows it more white than it actually is. Like that. Good for logo there. Masonic logo there. Holy Bible. Let's see what we got here. What kind of Bible this is. Nice Masonic Bible, huh? Initiated, passed, and raised. That looks good. I like that. It talks about George Washington because he was a Mason. I like that. You see these lesser lights here. They got these on a candelabra here that are next to the altar, as opposed to here where they've got them kind of scattered, just like they do in Georgia. We kind of scatter ours too, but you can see even this depiction here shows them all together. A lot of lodges will put theirs together like that. I definitely have 3 lights. Great Lights of Freemasonry. This is nice. I'm trying to be real careful with it. Oh, I feel like I've seen these pictures before. Maybe one other place I've seen a Bible like this. Not many have this one. Most of them have the thick bound. But this is a really nice Portrait of Judgment. Most of them are have this, but it's just not quite like this. They've got the thick binding here, and got a picture of a lady representing Mary Magdalene or someone on the front of it. So if you ever find yourself in Wauchula, come on down to Wauchula number 17 here in Wauchula, Florida, and visit these brothers. I'm sure they'll welcome you like they did me. Just fine, just like come on in. So be ready. Be sure to have your dues card. Everything. If you want to visit and do more than just what they have as far as the meal, you would need your dues card if you want to sit in lodge. But hope you found something enjoyable about the video. Maybe something you saw in this video maybe help your own lodge. Let me let you go. Be sure to like and subscribe, because I need to get back out here living the coolest life. Masonic edition.